Hello students, today's topic is consolidation of shares. Consolidation of shares basically means changing smaller denomination of shares into larger denomination. On account of consolidation, the total capital of the company will not change, but the number of shares will decrease. The journal entry will be share capital account within bracket old denomination debit to share capital account within bracket new denomination. Let us discuss one illustration. Here it is given on 18th March 2019, AB Limited passed a resolution to consolidate 1 lakh fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each into 10,000 equity shares of 100 each. Please note one thing. Here it is given that is 1 lakh fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each. That is number of shares were more and the face value was less is converted into 10,000 equity shares of 100 each. That is number of shares is less and the face value becomes more. So the answer will be the equity share capital within bracket rupees 10 account debit rupees 10 lakhs to equity share capital account within bracket rupees 100 10 lakhs. Next we are going to discuss another topic, that is conversion of shares into stock or stock into shares. Let us discuss the journal entries. Conversion of shares into stock. The journal entry will be equity share capital account debit within bracket with the amount of paid up capital to equity stock account within bracket with the amount of equity stock. Next, conversion of stock into fully paid equity shares. The journal entry will be equity stock account debit with the amount of equity stock to equity share capital account with the amount of paid up capital. Let us now discuss an illustration. Here it is given XY Limited passed a resolution on 10th April 2019 to convert its 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each into equity stock. Show necessary journal entry in the books of the company. The journal entry will be equity share capital within bracket rupees 10 account debit 1 lakh to equity stock account 1 lakh. Let us discuss another illustration. Here it is given DRL Limited passed a resolution in general meeting held on 30th April 2019 to convert its 20,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each fully paid up into equity stock of rupees 20 lakhs. Pass necessary journal entry. Here the journal entry will be equity share capital account within bracket rupees 100 debit 20 lakhs to equity stock account rupees 20 lakhs. That's all for today.